This apartment's messy.
Yeah, I think you're right. There's a gummy in my beer.
I don't think I have the willpower to clean this place.
Well, what if we clean it to an upbeat song from the 70s, montage style?
Who are you?
Maxine Nightingale's lawyer. And this song and dance operation is in direct violation of the copyrights of her contract. You cannot clean this house and sing and dance to her songs.
So then, why are you cleaning our house?
It's infectious.